Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the example which we are going to create in the next video. So here, if you see, we have a button explore auto reset event. So this will do all the task of spanning the thread, then communicating the threads through events. And our example contains two stitcher and one farmer thread, and here you can see stitcher 11 stitched some sequence number and it goes to waiting state. Then farmer pushed an element 9, then stitcher 2 picks up that newly pushed element, then farmer pushed 10, and so after reading that, stitcher goes on to the waiting state, farmer pushed 10, then stitcher reads 10. And here if you see, there are 3 stitcher thread here and 1 farmer thread. Based on the push event of farmer is done, any waiting stitcher will read that content. And likewise, if you see, the 3 thread together stitches the string from the data which is populated by the farmer. So here if you see, we have a array list, and in this array list, if you see here, we have farmer as well as stitcher, right? Farmer will write data to this array list. So farmer will populate the array list. So it's not array list. Since we are making call to push, this is a stack. So we know about the stack. Stack, it can push the element, and once the element is pushed, it will be in the top, and when you make a call to pop, the lastly added element will get popped out. So here if you see, we have 3 stitcher thread which will read the element using the pop operation. So farmer thread will push the content and stitcher will pop that. So we have written in such a way that even though we have a stock, once the farmer pushes element 1, it will be immediately picked up. So the stack will not grow beyond size 1. All right. So here our goal is to explore auto reset event. So we will be having auto reset event class. So we know that the farmer thread is pushing the element, and it will make a call to set method and makes the auto reset event in signaled state, right? So, and we know that since it's a automatic reset, the signaled state will be there for few nanoseconds, and it will immediately move to non-signaled state. So the pusher thread, if you see the rule, it will push some element, then it moves the auto reset event to signaled state. Since it's a auto reset event object, it immediately moves the state from signal to non-signal. Alright, so all these three threads, stitcher thread will wait for the signaled state and access the object. Here object is protected by AutoResetEvent. So here all these stitcher will make a call to wait one. That means it will be blocked and it moves to, or it will get released when object goes to signaled state. So for this wait one method, we will use the timeout also, so that the thread will not get blocked forever. So once again, our former thread, here if you see there is former, right? Former thread will make a call to set event, and our AutoResetEvent will release this stitcher and automatically moves to non-signaled state. So at a stage, if you see, there are three stitcher, right? All will be in waiting state, S1, S2 and S3. When former thread sets the event, it goes to signaled state. Only one will be allowed. Say for example, S2 is allowed. Other two will be in waiting stage only, because after releasing one thread, this will immediately goes to non-signaled state. So that's why here you are seeing stitcher 11, then stitcher 12, all this. So after pushing an element, you can see a thread is released, thread 11 is released. Next the event is, an entry is pushed by the former. Then this time the other waiting thread 12 that picks up, then the thread 10 which is picking up. So now let's so there is only one button in the form, and we no need to go for a demo for that. If you need, you can download the template from the video description. Thank you for watching. Bye.